Yo, what's up everybody? It's your girl Shalom, back with another species video. Hold on tight. You know I love to travel, right? Like, who doesn't? But get this, it's not just us humans living that jet-set life. Some dogs are straight up ballin'. I'm talking private jets, 5-star hotels, the whole 9 yards. We're about to dive into the world of the most expensive dog breeds to own. These pups don't just turn heads, they turn wallets inside out. Get ready to be shook. Alright, first up we got the German Shepherd. You know these dogs, man, they're like the Jason Statham of the dog world. Super intelligent, crazy loyal, and they will mess you up if you try anything funny. But let me tell you, having a bodyguard this good doesn't come cheap. Think about it. You got training, and not just any training, we're talking top-notch Navy SEAL level training. Then there's the food, because you know these guys gotta eat like champions. And don't even get me started on the vet bills. We're talking upwards of $15,000 just to keep this furry protector in tip-top shape. That's like a VIP European cruise for 2. But hey, if you're jetting off to Paris, you might as well have a German Shepherd keeping an eye on your croissants, right? Next up, we're talking about a breed that's basically royalty, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. These little guys are like walking teddy bears with their big, soulful eyes and the softest fur you've ever felt. Seriously, it's like petting a cloud. But don't let their cuteness fool you. These dogs are high maintenance, my friends. We're talking about a breed that's been pampered for centuries. They're used to the good life, the finest food, the comfiest beds, and maybe even a little diamond-studded collar or 2. And that kind of lifestyle ain't cheap. Think about it. You got grooming, and not just a quick brush. We're talking full-on spa days. Then there's the food, because these pups are picky eaters. And let's be real, you can't resist buying them all the cute outfits, right? We're talking close to $4,000 just to get one of these pups, and over their lifetime, you're looking at around $20,000. That's like spending a month in the Maldives at a private overwater villa. But hey, who needs a tan when you have a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel snuggled up on your lap, right? Alright, buckle up because we're about to get serious. This next breed is for the true high rollers, the ones who don't mess around. I'm talking about the Black Russian Terrier. This dog is like the James Bond of the canine world. Mysterious, powerful, and ridiculously expensive. I'm talking about a dog that was literally bred by the KGB. They're huge, they're strong, and they're smarter than your average pup. But all that awesomeness comes at a price, my friends. We're talking about a dog that needs a lot of space, a lot of exercise, and a lot of training. And let's be real, you can't just take a Black Russian Terrier to any old trainer. You need someone who can handle their intelligence, their strength, and their, let's say, independent spirit. We're talking about a first-year cost of almost $6,000, and over their lifetime, get ready for this, $30,000. That's like a full year of renting a luxury car in Monaco. But hey, if you're going to cruise around Monte Carlo, you might as well have the coolest dog in the world by your side, right? Next up, we got the Golden Doodle. Now, who doesn't love a Golden Doodle? They're like the perfect mix of playful and cuddly, and they're hypoallergenic, which is a major bonus for all my allergy sufferers out there. But let's be real, these designer dogs come with a designer price tag. We're talking about a breed that's in high demand, which means breeders can charge a premium. And then there's the whole upkeep thing, grooming, food, vet bills. It all adds up, my friends. We're talking about a dog that needs regular haircuts, because that fluffy fur doesn't just style itself. And then there's the food, because you know these guys love to eat. And let's not forget about the toys. We're talking about a lifetime cost of around $32,000. That's like flying first class to the Maldives, twice. But hey, who needs a private island when you have a Golden Doodle snuggled up on your couch, right? Last but not least, we have the Giant Schnauzer. This dog is like the Rolls Royce of the working dog world. They're big, they're powerful, and they're bred to work, which means they need a lot of exercise and stimulation. And let me tell you, keeping a Giant Schnauzer entertained is not cheap. We're talking about a dog that needs space to run, toys to destroy, and maybe even a job to do. And then there's the training, because you don't want a dog this big and powerful running the show. We're talking about a dog that needs a lot of food, a lot of vet care, and a lot of attention. And let's be real, you can't just leave a Giant Schnauzer home alone all day. They need someone to hang out with, play with, and maybe even watch TV with. We're talking about a lifetime cost of around $34,000. That's like a down payment on a luxury villa. But hey, who needs a pool when you have a Giant Schnauzer to splash around with, right? So there you have it, my friends. the most expensive dog breeds to own. From private jets to five-star hotels, these pups are living the high life. But let's be real, owning any dog is a big responsibility, no matter the breed. It's not just about the money, it's about the time, the energy, and the love you're willing to give. You know what? If you're looking for a furry friend who can keep up with your jet-setting lifestyle, these breeds are definitely worth checking out. Just remember, owning a dog is a commitment, so make sure you're ready to give them the best life possible, even if it means sacrificing a few luxury vacations. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the most expensive dog breeds to own. It's crazy how much these pups can cost, but as I said, they're worth every penny, right? If you love luxury travel and want more fun insights like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Tell me in the comments which dog got your attention. And let me know if I left out any breed you think should have made the list. Who knows, maybe we'll do a part 2. See you in the next adventure, and stay pawsome!